Today is Tuesday. We scheduled our massage, and then we went to Starbucks, and then after that we went to the community senior rehab where Marissa's work as a nurse. She has a top job. One of them, May, works at the hospital and senior community center, and both of them, when they tell me story about what kind of job they do. Oh, thank God I'm not a nurse. Thank God I'm not a nurse. It's very scary and very stressful work, handling patients, especially if they are about to die. So I'm still waiting for her in the car because I did not drive today. I know I'm lazy to drive. They know, everybody knows that I don't really like driving unless I have no choice. Have a nice evening. Bye-bye.